What's up, gang? I'm heading to the grill in Midtown. This place is known for a great prime rib service, so I'm going to try to show you that. Been here a bunch of times. Always a good meal. It's pricey, it's fancy, but it's definitely a meat lover's paradise. So I'm just heading here right after work. It's close to work. It's on 52nd, just across Park. It's going to be dark by the time I finish up, so I'm just going to give you the ride there. Point you to the website johnnyprimesteaks.com for the full review, pictures, all that stuff. They do great duck. They do a ham steak. The prime rib is fantastic. They have a porterhouse that's really good. Again, expensive, but really good. Great spot for like a special occasion. Cocktails are nice. Also like their veal schnitzel, which they had for lunch for a while. Great burger. Also really fantastic prime rib sandwich, which they offer at lunch. Check that out. If you work in the area, it's a great power lunch. Coming up here on the left, so I'm going to try to find a spot. All right, here we are, the grill. See you on the inside.
You have ostrich cream and Dijon mustard over here. That's perfect, yeah.
Absolutely.
There she is.
Should we ask for Chuck sign?
Yes. More than a little. I don't know any snippers. Rotten steak, man. It's not by itself.
That looks good.
Perfect. Oh my fucking god, that was fucking phenomenal.
Beautiful. You know who's gonna be jealous? Tappy.
Yeah. Not cool and sick.
Wow, look at that. Perfect.
Yeah, we're gonna, doesn't matter. I can take it. Yeah. You don't need to cut it like that. You don't need to cut it or anything like that. One of us will take it. Yeah. Oh, it's perfect, yeah. You don't need it.
Incredible.
On the side would be great. Thank you. Yeah, that looks amazing.
Thank you so much.
Wow. What's that? Oh, that's the hash brown.
Watch your hair, man. I don't have to worry, but.
There it comes, baby.
That's not going to be terrible.
Thank you. Oh, look. It's got sheep.
Oh, wow. You got a nice box for it.
Be careful behind the light.